Worried about leaving your precious crypto on an exchange? Let's pull those digital assets offline and tuck them safely into cold storage, using Kraken as our launchpad. First, log into your Kraken account and navigate to the Funding tab. This is your mission control for deposits and withdrawals. Choose the cryptocurrency you want to withdraw for this example. Let's say it's Bitcoin. Click the Withdraw button next to Bitcoin. You'll now be on the Bitcoin withdrawal page. Time to grab your cold wallet. Connect your cold wallet to your computer and unlock it. Navigate to the receive address for the specific crypto you want to transfer. Carefully copy the receiving address generated by your cold wallet. Triple check this address, it's crucial. A single mistake can result in permanent loss of your funds. Back on Kraken, paste the receiving address into the appropriate field, then carefully select the correct network for Bitcoin. It's usually the Bitcoin network. Selecting the wrong network can lead to irreversible loss. Enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to withdraw. Be mindful of the transaction fees displayed. Kraken will show you exactly what the fee is and how much Bitcoin you'll receive in your cold wallet. Review all the details carefully: the receiving address, the network, the amount, and the fees. If everything looks correct, confirm the withdrawal. You'll likely need to complete two-factor authentication. To authorize the withdrawal, enter the code from your Authenticator app. Once confirmed, Kraken will process the transaction. You can track its progress using the transaction ID on a block explorer. After the required number of confirmations, your Bitcoin will be safely nestled in your cold wallet. Congratulations! You've successfully withdrawn crypto from Kraken to your cold wallet, taking control of your digital assets with offline security.